Weather specialist Nick Dunn joins us with your Storm Center 7 forecast. And Nick, nasty day tomorrow, possibly.
Yeah, there could be a few strong storms tomorrow. Okay. Not a total washout, not something that everybody's going to see, but something you should definitely keep on your radar. So let's break down that severe weather risk for Monday. You notice most of the Miami Valley highlighted in that green. That's a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk of severe weather. As you work south and east, that risk does jump up to a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather. But I want to let you know that not everybody's going to see rain tomorrow. But if a storm were to develop and turn severe, it would likely happen during that 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. window for Monday. The main threats, damaging winds and perhaps a brief tornado, but that threat looks to be maximized, especially if you live in the yellow shaded area there. And overall, limited storm coverage. You're not expecting a widespread event whatsoever for the day on Monday. Right now, to give you a live look into Miami Township, it's a generally clear sky for now. Temperature sitting at 52 degrees. That southeast breeze helping to keep us pretty mild tonight. Certainly no threat for frost out there, unlike what we've had the last couple of nights. Give you a look at temperatures across the Miami Valley. Springfield and Wilmington, you've settled back into the upper 40s for now. Dayton, we're checking at 52, 59 right now in Oxford, and 50 in Richmond. That next storm system is still in its developing and gathering its organization phase, if you will, off to our west. Bit of a cold front sliding into Chicago right now. You notice that swirl up across the northern plains. This is going to slide through during the day on Monday, and while it doesn't give everybody rain, it is going to knock down our temperatures a good bit, so be prepared for that as we get into Tuesday. Here's a look at your bus stop forecast for Monday. Kids heading out the door early in the day. A partly cloudy sky, no threat for frost whatsoever. And during the afternoon, you notice we get into the 70s, we warm up. You may want to have them take the rain gear just in case. Again, we're not talking widespread thunderstorms, but maybe a bit of an inconvenience as they get off the bus. So let's walk through Futurecast. You know what to expect during the early morning hours heading out the door. You notice that wind turning more southwesterly, so noticeably milder tomorrow morning. Their temperatures there in the middle 50s. As we get into the afternoon, you notice how isolated in coverage those showers and a couple of thunderstorms are. This is a look at 3 p.m. You notice we've also warmed up a good bit there as well. By 4:30 to 5 o'clock, we're already starting to see that best coverage of any thunderstorms that do develop starting to slide off to our southeast there. And then during the evening, that cold front's going to continue to clear the Miami Valley. It's going to knock our temperatures down a good bit. By Tuesday morning, we're down into the 40s, and we're going to struggle to warm up during the day. I mean, we're going to struggle to get towards 50 degrees by the end of the day. Winds have changed direction to the west and northwest, and a couple of spotty showers there cannot be ruled out either. Speaking of Tuesday, it's going to feel a bit chilly with these gusty winds adding a bit of an April chill out there for us. As we get into the afternoon, the strongest gusts up to about 35 miles per hour. So despite the highs in the 50s, it'll feel more like the 40s as we get into your Tuesday afternoon. We're tracking our next storm system as well for the end of this upcoming work week. Thursday night, maybe a shower or two, but better chances for rain will arrive as we get towards Friday afternoon going into Friday night. Still too early to iron out any details for any potential of severe weather, but showers and thunderstorms will certainly be possible Friday night going to early on Saturday morning. Here's how it comes together in my Storm Center 7-day forecast. The high is 72 for Monday. You notice we cool off sharply, 50s there for Tuesday and Wednesday. We're back up to 76 on Friday with a chance of showers and thunderstorms.